Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to our lesson on Microsoft Access. Today's lesson will be on forms. So forms in Access are like display cases in stores that make it easier to view or get the items that you want. So forms objects create the user interface for your database and allow you to populate and manipulate the data of the database. For this lesson, we will use an Access file that you can download right under the video, right here. I already have it here on my desktop, and let's open it. So as you can see, we have 3 tables already populated. We have a guest, then we have suites, and reservation, which is the connection between these 2 tables. So as you can see here, this is the table guest, which has all the names, addresses, city, etc. Then we have all the rooms, the suites, with the location, etc. And the reservation with all the guests for each suite. Let's proceed closing all the windows we opened. And to create our form, we need to select the table from which we want to create the form from. So we go on guest in our case, we go on create on the ribbon, and we just click form. As you can see, Access set up the form based on showing a single guest record on our table with all the fields related. At the bottom of the screen here, the second ribbon, we can see the record selector from which we can page through all the records of our table. Then here, all Access also recognizes the relationship between our table and created a sub-data sheet on the lower part of the screen. On this sub-data set, we can page to the different records from this selector here, and we can use also forms to enter all the information into more than one table at the same time without manually inserted one by one. So right now, if we click here on the layout view, we can change how it shows first name. Here it's a whole word. We can modify how we like more. We can customize our form in the way we want. And here, postal code. Okay, we can put the space. And then after that, we can go on the form view and edit every single form, every single record, sorry. So if Nate's son was Nate Sunny, we just modify it here, and here we go. Or if this guy added a new reservation, we just add the new check-in date. So 1st of July 2020, checkout data, we can put the 7th of July 2020. Occupants 1, suite number 1, no group discount. And here we go. So now we have another reservation. To add a new guest, we just have to go to the last one, which is easier if we go here, new blank record, and we can add a new guest. So I can put my name, my last name, my address, city, state, etc. And here we go. To add the reservation, same thing here. And here's our first form about the guest. We can do the same thing for another table if we want, because this is the table guest, which is very nice. It's very useful. We can go on table suites, create a new form, and we will have it like this, a new form, not about the guest but about the suites. So if we need to see the suite who is occupied from, we can see it here. Guest ID, check-in date, etc. Same thing for the reservation. If we create a new form, we see here the form with all the reservations. Thank you for your attention, and see you at next lesson.